Hey guys, it's nice to meet you, and today we have Ariel and glasses. We lost her glasses, sorry. And today they have a new friend. Look at this. Husky Pup, come down here with me and we will open it. Okay, so this says, open here, remove ice.
Ouvre ici.
Ouvre ici. Looks like it says remove ice.
What all?
Important things. This hole is not big enough. There we go. Just making an extension. Making an extension. There's our list. What's this? Oh, it's a piece of cardboard.
Problems? Questions? Do not return this. Call this number. By Spin Master.
There. Well, he came out!
Husky Pup came out, good. Maybe I'll name my own one Husky Pup. Husky Pup.
There we go. He runs like any other Chubby Puppy. Do you Chubby Puppies want to play? Yay! Chubby Puppy party! Chubby Puppy party! Wait!
Everybody go!
Boston Terrier, don't forget your baby! Ariel's attacking it! The attacking of the fish puppy! Okay, turn it off. Actually, turn it off. Don't. Okay, she actually. So, let's get the baby out. Let's just clobber its face. Yeah, we need to get. Yet again, not big enough. Okay, so.
Scissors.
Okay, get this.
Joey, I need
That's
that.
instructions that we don't need. We don't need that back of this. We don't need any of this packaging, do we?
I need a baby cat.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do. For baby, it has its own kid.
I don't see why they had to put him under it. They didn't put. I hit the Christmas tree. I hit the old Christmas tree. And at least this one isn't for 2 to 5 year olds. Look at the baby Chubby Puppy. It's so cute.
Can I do that on?
Next time we do a Chubby Puppy rodeo, we should have this right on one of them. Wouldn't that be funny? Wouldn't that be funny? Wait a minute.
Can I hear from the baby auntie done you?
No, the baby can't. Also, the babies can't move. Leave me alone. What should I name it?
Husky Pup.
No, that's. We want you to name it like a hush puppy.
Husky Pup.
Ariel's like, no, you guys are not allowed to go here. Okay, round up the pups. Let's turn off glasses. We want to conserve their battery.
I don't see what's one on you.
Okay, so we have the Boston Terrier. We do not have this cat, which I really want that cat. We don't have any of the others of these, but these are the ones you can get.
There's a panda bear.
Really? I want this one. Just like,
Where's a panda bear?
it's super rare. I wonder if I can get that. That's my goal with Cubby Puppies, is to get that. So if you see it, please tell me.
Yes, baby.
Ow, you're hurting me. Give me the pup. So the pup and the mom are almost identical. The mom has more detail. The mom has blue eyes. The puppy has like black soulless eyes. No, soulful eyes. It has freckles.
Not
And a heart.
Any bat.
And look, their little butts are the same, except hers has a squirrel in her butt. And mom's are obviously really different.
Well,
Their tongues aren't that different, except hers is going. This is good. That's the difference in tongues. Oh, it's scary. So, put in the comments if you want another. In the comments, put if you want another Chubby Puppy rodeo. There probably is, even if you vote no. I'm sorry.
yeah.
Oh, cat taking over the world. That's video about dogs. And then our cat just decides to walk up. Where's Oreo? Hey Oreo, you'll get a kick out of these. Come on. Come on. Sit there. Sit. Stay. No. Keep him there, please. Look at this. It's a moving puppy. Oh no. Send Ariel for him. Ariel, go retrieve. You look part golden retriever. Not. She's not part golden retriever. She's like a lab.
Lab and what?
Wow! Please like this video. Subscribe to the ACB show. And in the comments, let me know if you want another rodeo and if you like these mom and baby sets so we can do more of them. Bye, guys.
And cool baby.